Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Wells Fargo debit card, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Wells Fargo debit card, start by locating the card package you received in the mail. Inside the package, you'll find your debit card and instructions on activation. Take your card out and examine the back for a sticker with a toll-free activation number. You can also activate your card through the Wells Fargo mobile app. If you choose to call the activation number, dial the number printed on the sticker. Follow the automated prompts carefully as they guide you through the activation process. You will need to enter your debit card number, which is located on the front of the card. Next, input your personal identification number, commonly known as the PIN. Once you've entered your information, listen for a confirmation message. After you receive confirmation, your card is activated and ready to use. If you prefer using the mobile app, open the app on your device. Log in with your Wells Fargo online banking credentials. Navigate to the Card Services section within the app. Select the option to activate your debit card. You may be required to enter your card number and last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Once you input the necessary information, press Submit to complete the activation. After activating, you can start using your card immediately. For added security, remember to set and change your PIN as soon as possible. If you encounter any issues during activation, contact Wells Fargo customer service for assistance. Keep your activation confirmation details for future reference. With your card activated, you can now enjoy easy access to your funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.